Hello, my name is Les Corrigan and I'm the webmaster at CheckSite. We build, design, maintain, and search engine optimize websites. We're based in the Niagara region. Today we're going to talk about WordPress. WordPress is an excellent blog website application. We install the application on the server, and you can see this is the showcase. Some of the people that are using the WordPress solution include the Rolling Stones and Katie Couric, Getty Images, the BBC Americas. It's a really amazing piece of software. It has limitations as far as design goes, functionality, but there's a ton of plugins and ways to expand the application that can suit any small business or startup or organization. So this is WordPress. Now let's show you some of the examples that CheckSite has done. Hamilton IT here is using a WordPress. Up here is their pages, about us, support. This website is just under development still. The owner is still putting in his content and developing it. This is the posts, and there are a series of different posts here. This is a post here under Office Networking. There was 2 posts. Again, he's loading his content as we speak. Here is a lawyer's website that uses WordPress. Up here we have different pages, and they're not utilizing too many posts on this website. They're using this strictly as a website and not a blog. That's fine. You can use it as a blog. You can use it as a website. So let's move on to another example, the St. Catharines Ladies Softball League. Here you'll see a real blog here. The front page is the last series of posts from the blog. And it looks great. They've got a calendar installed. On the right side menu here, they've got the search and recent posts, latest news. Again, all the content can be controlled through the control panel or the dashboard. I'm going to show you that in a few minutes. These are pages along this menu here, and these are posts. Posts are chronologically, by date, ordered by date. Posts or pages are pretty much fixed. I mean, you can update your content of your page all the time. Here you see the registrations and links to files. We also can do galleries. This website has the members enabled, so people can register. They can't affect any content. You can limit if they can comment on blog posts. So you have full control over the security. So that is the ladies softball. Here's a pretty basic one. This is Got Magic. Just using this as a little page, and there's some comments and compliments that he posts, and a gallery. And moving along here, Gail's Gas Bar uses a WordPress solution, and you'll see that this is a main page. This is editable through the dashboard, and then you'll see that they're just primarily using just pages here with a fancy menu, drop-down menu. Some of the features that you'll see on different pages or websites may be additional. These are things that we'll consider as we go. But the WordPress does come with a page and posts and the basic application. Here's another website, Films by Mac Merritt, and we're using this as both a website and a blog. Up here is the link to the blog postings, the director's quotes, indie movie scene, and then these are pages, commercial shorts. You can insert video. Here you'll see an example of text. You can insert a gallery. You can upload images. Here's a bunch of video that has been embedded into it. The director's cut or the editor's blog is a collection of all the blog postings, and the director's cut is another page. The box office takes you back to the main page. Again, you'll see this big beautiful image cycling through, and WordPress, we would just replace those images in the template obviously with your images. So here's our main page, search, social media. Let's take a look now at the dashboard. Okay, let's take a look at the dashboard and how you control the content in your WordPress website. I just logged in. I'm looking at the main page of the dashboard. Up here I have screen options, and I can turn some things on and off. Quick press, I'll turn that off. And so you can eliminate some of the things that you don't need to see there. So let's start over here at the top left-hand corner. There's my dashboard. If I click on that, it'll take you back to your main page here. Moving down through the dashboard controls, we have posts. And when you click on posts, you'll see all your posts, and you can assign a post, a tag, a category. Let me just show you what that looks like. Here you have your editor, so you can insert images and assign it categories. You can even delay when you want it posted, and you can assign tags to it. Tags are a great way for people to find your content. This shows you the address, and if we take a look at the post, you'll see there it is. Okay, and film room, and these are the different pages. So up here again, posts, and these are pages, and back into the administrator. So at the dashboard here, the posts, moving down, we have media, and this is how we load images and files. If you have PDFs you want people to download, this is where you would insert them. Also, images for galleries are inserted through the media, creating different libraries. Links is a module that fits into the, here I'm going to open up the website in another tab here, and if we go to a page, you will see the links would appear here if we were using them, but we're not. And this is the application that allows you to load different links, resources. Pages. These are the pages of the website. Obviously they can be edited, and we have a video being inserted into this page. Again, publishing dates, what template, we're using the default template, and the title, adding media, and your editor here. It's quite easy to update your content. And comments. This is the list of all the comments from visitors to the website, and down here in settings I'll show you where you can turn that on and off. But this is where all the comments are stored, so you can see them. I suggest that we don't use them, at least not in pages, perhaps maybe in blogs, and we'll decide that later. Contact. This is a contact form that can be inserted into a page. Currently on this website the contact form is not being inserted, but it can be inserted into any page. You can create a separate page for it, and if I click on that I'll show you. Grabbing this code here and putting it on a page would put the form on a page. Let's take a look now, moving down the dashboard controls into appearances. This is the template that we have currently installed. These are called themes, and you can install a different theme. We normally handle that for our clients once they've decided on their theme. It can be a little bit tricky. Widgets, some of the functions, the sidebar menu, menus. The menus we use are part of the original theme you'll see up here, so we kind of stay away from the menus. Theme settings. The editor allows us to change some of the pages. This is right at the source code level, so that's something that we do. So moving along the dashboard controls here on the left. Plugins. We also load up your basic default plugins, and any functions that you want normally will assist you in selecting some plugins. So users. These are the users that are currently registered to the website. Tools. These are a collection of some of the tools here. The backup. Different tools will appear here if they're installed or if they're utilized. Moving down again through the dashboard controls on the left, I hit settings, and you'll see that there's a lot of things in settings. We'll go through, set all that up for you. Writing, reading, discussions. Again, here in the discussions, allow people to comment. We turn that all off. Anyone can post. Again, we could turn that off. Media. This is thumbnail sizes, different settings. We'll set all that up. And so this gives you just an idea of the controls that you have with WordPress. Hope you enjoyed the tour.